When I bought my new house, it looked pretty tired, mainly because of the colour and paintwork on the exterior of the property. It was yellow and the windows looked old and needed modernising. I had considered replacing the windows, which was going to cost a fortune, and I didn't really have any other options, until I came across these guys on an advert on Facebook. Initially, I was quite sceptical. However, when I met the team at UPVC Spray Painters, they were very informative and professional and opened my eyes to what can really be done to transform my property. The team started off by painting the exterior walls, and that alone made my house look fresh. After that was complete, they started on the most exciting bit, which was to spray paint the UPVCs. When they had finished the first window, I knew I had made the right choice and couldn't wait until the whole house was completed. I was very happy with the quote, considering how much I would have spent on new windows when they were already in decent condition. Not only have I saved a lot of money, I have added curb appeal to the property, and that alone adds value to the property. My windows look brand new and my house looks like it's freshly rendered. What a great renovation! We were given excellent information about everything that was going to take place. They didn't ask for any payments up front or part-way through the job. We just paid the deposit to book our dates. They didn't even ask us about the final payment and seemed more concerned to see if we were completely satisfied with the end results before they left. I was confident to leave the team at the property with no concerns about whether they would look after it and make sure that everything was done correctly. It's important to have trust in people who are working in your home these days, and that can be hard to find. But I didn't need any reassurance from these guys. I just went about my day and let them crack on. I have taken the time to record this audio clip as it's the least I can do for the team. They worked non-stop on my property from start to finish. They were very professional, they looked the part, they came on time and did exactly what they said they were going to do. So big thanks again to UPVC Spray Painters for a great job. I cannot recommend a better team for the job. These guys are worth their weight in gold.